Today's project is using Parallax's ping sensor. What's unique about this sensor is that it only has one pin for input and output. So as you can see on the computer, it is continually measuring, and when I move forward and backward, you can see the measurements getting smaller and larger. As you may have noticed, there's not an easy way to see the output of this project or the measurement of it unless you're printing out the measurement on the computer. So what I would really recommend is that you check out the blog post in the description of this video on Instagram or on YouTube, and click on that blog post link and go there because we have the code and instructions on how to use that. As I said before, this sensor is very unique. Most ultrasonic sensors have 4 pins, and this one only has 3, because most ultrasonic sensors have 1 pin for input and 1 pin for output. But the way this works is first, it sets it as I said before, the ping sensor is very unique. Most ultrasonic sensors have 4 pins, 1 for input and 1 for output, but this one only has 3, and there's only 1 for input and output. First, we set the pin mode of that pin to be output, and we send out a pulse. And then we set it to be input, and we measure the pulse, and then use different formulas to find the measurement in distance instead of time.